Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought very simple ribbing pattern. For that we need to cast on multiple of 2 stitches plus 1 stitch to complete the pattern and 2 stitches for edge. This is only 2 rows repeat pattern. For first row slip 1 stitch and then purl 1 stitch and slip 1 stitch with yarn in back, again purl 1, second repeat, yarn in back, slip purlwise and again purl 1. We have to complete this row with these 2 stitches, purl 1 and slip 1 purlwise with yarn in back. Again yarn in back and slip 1 stitch. Repeat these 2 stitches till the end of the row. Purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, slip purlwise, again yarn in front and purl. Repeat these 2 stitches till the end of the row. After completing row, our row will look like this. Now turn the project. Now second row, here we have to slip first stitch and then purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Again purl and then knit 1 stitch. Purl 1 stitch and knit 1 stitch. Only you have to follow that. Purl on slip stitch and knit on knit stitch. Repeat these 2 rows until you reach your desired length. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Bye friends.